风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
What's up? It's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin, and here comes new gen Hakka singer Lulu Lin in her debut album, Chill Illusion. Now, the album is rooted in city pop, blending Western electronic music elements with Hakka rhythms, giving Hakka pop music a more modern and diverse style. One track, Fantasy Tavern, this one is called 奇幻小酒馆, is steeped in a psychedelic atmosphere. Inside, there's a cat owner, a mouse pianist, a magician, and a painting shedding diamond tears. Is this tavern real, a dream, or an illusion? Let's take a listen.
富磁小酒馆，奇怪嘅相向，電話版嘅鐵路是，來開嘅酒杯，白淡會聽痛嘅頭髮，摸着會變長沙，來到開車嘅所在，唔是快嘅風陽光美。兩條街嘅是係一盞廟嘅 Blueberry 餐廳加嘅味，老對凝神透離，講甜是係落數位，但係好糖嘅叫位，來到開車嘅所在。今天的節奏，藍色以後已有，嘿呦。Please tell me what is true. 到底係冇係種係啟發？在地方店，夜呀夜燦爛，大半世冇嘅男，電馬殺出現，公仔表哥嘅發式，純屬一杯酒啊，十分給您記得煩惱，看清楚佢愛變白衣。馬在向神秘摸着開瑞玫瑰，不管黑馬你哪一方皮，會幫你犯罪，有一種涼涼嘅滋味，無聲你會醉，就放射嘅玻璃口罩下。今天的節奏，藍色以後已有，嘿呦。
新时代客语女歌手林沛蕎以她慵懒、富磁性的嗓音，唱出都会女性生活节奏与内心风景。在首张专辑《奇幻》中，这首《奇幻小酒馆》奇幻小酒馆里面故事带到了猫老板、老鼠钢琴师、魔法师，还有流着钻石眼泪的画，整个弥漫着一种迷幻的氛围，是不是觉得很特别呢？That again is Lulu Lin, Lin Pei Chao from her debut album Chill Illusion. Thank you for listening. My name is Joseph Lin. See you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.